The Aral Sea was once one of the largest lakes in the world, but it has been getting smaller since the 1960s due to Soviet irrigation projects. Before these projects, the sea was the fourth biggest lake in the world. The irrigation projects stopped the inflowing water. The sea was fed by two major rivers, which historically discharged into the Aral Sea. The irrigation projects saw dams and canals built to divert water to grow cotton and wheat. The Aral Sea started to get smaller quite quickly because of the evaporation of its now unreplenished waters. The evaporation meant the remaining water had high salinity, effectively killing the once thriving fisheries. Fertilizer and pesticide from the cotton industry had contaminated the remaining water and the surrounding area. Ecologically, the region had been devastated. People living nearby suffered from health problems due to the contaminated dust that blows from the dried up lakebed. By the 1990s, the Aral Sea was declared the worst ecological disaster of the 20th century by the United Nations Environmental Programme. By 2005, a dam was built between the two parts of the Aral Sea in hope to save the north part of the lake. In 2014, the eastern part of the sea had completely disappeared. There is some positive news for the Aral Sea. There has been some recovery in recent years. As a result of the dam in 2005 to split the sea, the water in the north side has increased by 18%. Also, the fishing industry has seen some recovery too. Before the dam, over 1,300 tonnes of fish was harvested in the north part of the sea, and in 2018, over 8,200 tonnes of fish had been harvested. There are more projects proposed in the future to try and restore more of the sea and help the local community affected.